I'm Dr. Ellie Cannon. I'm a GP and a health writer, and I'm going to talk to you about how to stop coughing. Now, the first thing to say is that although coughing isn't a serious symptom, there are some things you might be suffering from with the cough that mean you should really be going to the doctor. So if you have been coughing for more than 2 weeks, if you have recently come back from abroad, if you are finding you are having difficulty breathing or breathing fast, or if you are coughing up blood, you should be going straight to the doctor for an urgent appointment. There are a range of different cough medicines available over the counter and from your pharmacist. These don't cure a cough, they simply treat the symptoms, and it's important to ask your pharmacist about which one is appropriate for you. Some of them help to suppress a cough, and these are useful, for example, if you need a good night's sleep and you're coughing through the night. Others will actually soothe the throat and help with a dry, irritating cough that can prevent you talking. People also use antihistamines to help with a cough, and you can ask your pharmacist if this would be more appropriate for the type of cough you have. As well as using medicines for a cough, you should also have a look at your environment to see if that's worsening your cough. For example, people often cough at night because they're sleeping too flat. So try sleeping propped up on 2 or 3 pillows, which can help a cough. Also, if the room you're in is too dry or the room you're sleeping in is too dry, this can also irritate your throat and cause you to cough a lot. Central heating can really dry out the air in a room, and this can cause people to cough when they're sleeping. If you do have the heating on at night, you could put a damp towel on the radiator, which means that the air coming off the radiator will actually be moistened and not so dry. This can help people with a nighttime cough. Alternatively, you can turn the radiator off in the room in which you're sleeping. So that is how to relieve a cough. Remember, if you have any significant symptoms associated with your cough, you must go to the doctor. This would be if you've been coughing for more than 2 weeks, if you're coughing up blood, if you're having any difficulty breathing, or if you've recently travelled. Otherwise, you can buy yourself a cough syrup from the pharmacist and make sure the room you're sleeping in is not too dry.